Good morning! Good morning, good morning! Nagising na naman tayo. Salamat sa Panginoon, no? So, it's a brand new week. It's a brand new grace that we're facing. Okay, so maybe some of us last week had a bad week. Hindi naging maganda. So, sabi sa Bible, no, sa Lamentations 3:22 to 23, every morning, God gives us mercy. It's a renewed mercy, it's a renewed grace that God is giving us. So dapat simulan natin tong week na to na merong hope galing sa Panginoon. Let's be encouraged. Let's be, look ahead of us with God, beside us. Dapat i-best friend natin ang Panginoon, hindi pwedeng hindi. Alam mo yan, hindi natin kakayanin tong week na to na mag-isa lang. So, the Lord is giving us a renewed strength, bagong grace, bagong blessing. It's a brand new week. God is ahead of us. God will open doors for us this week. So who knows, He would give us, something to look forward to. And that is Jesus Christ coming na yan soon. So anytime Jesus will come back, so let's be ready. I-best friend na natin ang Panginoon. Ang mahalaga ngayon is tamang relasyon. Okay, dapat may relasyon ka sa Panginoon. So tanggapin mo na ang Panginoon Kristo sa buhay mo and repent. So Jesus will give you strength and He will encourage you this week, okay? So God bless everyone. Let's share the faith and not the hate, okay?